Today, I'll walk you through how to customize your forms in MailerLite so they match your brand and start converting more visitors into subscribers. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your MailerLite account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click on Forms. You'll see every form you've created, embedded forms, pop-ups, and landing page forms all live here. Click on the form you want to customize. If one of your forms is already getting traffic, start there so your improvements have an immediate impact. With your form selected, click the Edit button to open the form editor. Give it a moment to load. MailerLite's editor is drag and drop, so everything is visual and hands-on. Before you start making changes, take a quick look at the current layout. Notice what's already there: the heading, any description text, the fields, and the submit button. Getting a clear picture of the starting point helps you make deliberate, intentional edits rather than just clicking around. Now for the most important part, customizing your form's content. Start with the title. Click directly on the heading text to edit it. Your form title is prime real estate. It should tell visitors exactly what they're getting in exchange for their email address. Something specific like "Get the free weekly marketing checklist" will always outperform a vague sign up. Once your heading is tight, update the description text beneath it. Keep it to 1 or 2 sentences that reinforce the value of subscribing. Next, review your form fields. You can add new ones, remove what you don't need, and rearrange them by dragging into the order that makes the most sense. As a general rule, the fewer fields you ask for, the higher your conversion rate. So stick to just an email address unless you genuinely need more. If you do include a name field, edit the placeholder text to something warm like first name, rather than a stiff "enter your name here." Small wording choices like that make your form feel human. Finally, read through everything one more time before you save. Check that each label is clear, the flow is logical, and there are no typos, because your form is often the very first impression a new subscriber gets of your brand. And that's it. You've just customized your MailerLite form to better reflect your style and capture more subscribers. If this helped, leave a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.